Hi, I'm Sarah. This is Extraordinary Chaos and I'm really glad you're here. This channel is all about Cricut crafting and about getting the best out of your Cricut machine. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crafter, I'm going to take you from the very basics, like using shapes, using design space, what tools and material to use, to the more complicated and advanced crafts such as layering files, designing and being your own designer, so not relying on other people's files, being able to make from the heart and create whatever you want. I'm going to show you everything I know to help you become your own designer. It's all daunting, isn't it? I mean, I have messages of people that say, I've got this machine, I'm too scared to turn it on, I don't know how to use it, I can't use it, it doesn't work. I'm going to create tutorials for everything. So not only are we going to create how to design and how to create, I'm going to go through the basics, what materials to use, what are the basic functions in Cricut Design Space, how do you use it, how do you get the best out of it, do you need Cricut Access or can you get by without it? And the answer to that is a big yes. If you follow all of the tutorials, I will show you how to design, how to use shapes, so that you never need to buy an image ever. Now, if you want to get images, there are some free images available on Cricut Design Space and some free fonts. Also, I'm going to show you how to upload your own fonts to Cricut Design Space and how to access my free alphabets. I have hundreds of free alphabets and number sets for every theme, every occasion, or hopefully every occasion. If there's anything missing, drop me a message below and I'll see if I can make that work. And I'm going to show you how to get these single layered files and how to create a beautiful layered masterpiece such as this or this gorgeous car letter. And as I say, we've got hundreds, so go over, have a browse and download what you want. If there's a corresponding video to it, then it will be linked in the post, so you'll have a YouTube video in the post that will show you how to create the layered file. I'm going to show beginners how to start with a circle and end up with this. I'm going to teach you how to be your own designer so that you don't need to pay extra for all of those files and programs. You can create anything from your mind to artwork and it's really super easy. So I've been using my Cricut for over 8 years. I love it. I've never subscribed because I haven't needed to. And that wasn't because I was determined not to, but because I like to create from scratch myself. And if you're here, then I know you're creative and you will want to try that too. So as I say, you can download the free files and you can access these and they're all amazing. I've got to say that, haven't I? made them myself. But if you want to make it yourself, I'm going to show you how to do that too. My aim is for you to not be scared of your Cricut machine, for you to embrace using it, to look at it and see it as a tool to create anything you want to create. And you really, really can. It's just about changing your mindset and we're going to do that together. So thank you. I'm really glad you're here. Please do like and subscribe and let's create some Cricut magic together.